Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your project and choosing the tempo source, open the project, enable the metronome, and locate the audio or region you want to match. Next, make sure Smart Tempo is set to automatic in Garageband preferences so the app analyzes incoming files. This lets Garageband detect original tempo changes. Once done, select the audio region and look for detected tempo markers. This first step sets the reference, so the rest of the sync process is clean and accurate. Now you analyze and conform the material. With the audio region selected, open the region settings and choose Smart Tempo options. Pick Set to project tempo to force audio to match or adapt to allow subtle variation. Use Flex Time to fine-tune beats that didn't align, drag transient markers, and listen. If you prefer a fixed BPM, change the project tempo to your target and make sure the region is set to follow tempo so it stretches properly. This middle stage balances precision and musical feel. Finish by playing the whole track and listening critically. Toggle the metronome and solo problematic parts to confirm timing. Quantize MIDI regions where needed and trim, or move transient markers in audio to tighten human timing without making it robotic. Make sure you commit changes by bouncing or exporting if external use is required. If audio still drifts, re-import the file with Smart Tempo set to keep original tempo and then manually adjust. This often reveals detection errors and gives you a reliable fallback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.